Hey guys, I'm Jade. Today is my LeetCode review vlog on the 12th problem, integer to Roman. As we all know, Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols. For example, 2 is written as double I in Roman numeral. Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. However, there are 6 instances where subtraction is used. For example, I can be placed before we to make 4. We are given an integer. We have to convert it to a Roman numeral. Here comes an example. If the input is 3 and our output should be triple I, as each I stands for 1, and we add it up, which equals to 3. Then, let's get started with our intuition first. Intuition. So my intuition comes with 2 key points from the problem description. Key points. The first key point is Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. And the second one is there are 6 instances where subtraction is used. And we can conclude that our main idea and solution to solve the problem is we can use a similar greedy algorithm to handle or tackle the problem. Let's say we can start from the highest value going down to the lowest. And we have to subtracting the value from the number that given to us and appending the corresponding Roman numeral symbol to the result string until the number become 0. And that's the intuition. Then let's get started with our code. The first step is we have to list all the Roman numeral symbols and their values, including the subtraction cases, which is shown here, and 6 instance, which is subtraction. List all the Roman numeral symbols and their values with subtraction cases. Let's say we have a int array values equals 1,900, 500, 400, 100, 90, 50, 40, 10, 9, 5, 4, and 1. And then we have to create a symbol value. Let's say string array symbols equals and the subtraction case is Cn. N comes with D and CD. C XC L and XL X IX V, IV, and the final symbol is I. That's the first step. And the second step is we can initialize a string builder to build the Roman numeral string, which is faster than a constant string. Initialize a string builder, the Roman numeral string. New string builder. There's a G missing. New string builder. And then we can have a for loop to traverse the num. Int I equals 0, and condition is I is less than values dot length, and increment I after each iteration. Inside the for loop, we have to check well the current value fits into the remaining number. If so, we can append the symbol and subtract the value. And the code should be while num is bigger than or equal to values of I. And we have to append the corresponding symbols of I, and then subtract the corresponding value. Num subtract values of I. And that's all the code for the for loop. And after the for loop, we just return string builder dot toString. And that's all the code. Let's check for it. Yes, it is got accepted. Final. At the end, let's analyze the time complexity and the space complexity. So for time complexity, it is big O of 1. The reason is our for loop only iterates a constant number of times. Since the size of the values and symbols array are fixed or constant, are small, which is only 13 elements for values and symbols array. And the space complexity, it is also big O of 1, because the space that we used by string builder and the array does not depend on the input num. Therefore, our space complexity, it is a constant big O of 1. And thank you guys for your watching. This is the end of my LeetCode review vlog on the integer to Roman problem. You can also check for the detailed notes on my GitHub repository here. I'll put the link on the YouTube description below. Thank you guys for your watching. See you next time.